Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is unstable. It is pronounced un-stay-bull, and it is spelt U-N-S-T-A-B-L-E. Think un and then stable, like a horse's stable. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Unstable is an adjective that means not firmly fixed or not likely to last. It is often used to describe things that are wobbly, unpredictable, or prone to change. For example, you could say, that ladder was unstable, so we had to hold it steady. Or, the weather forecast predicts unstable conditions with a chance of thunderstorms. In the fairy tale, The Three Little Pigs, the pigs' houses that were made of straw and sticks were unstable and easily blown down by the big bad wolf. However, in contrast, the stable house of the third pig, made of bricks, survived. Synonyms for unstable include shaky, wobbly, unsteady, and precarious. Antonyms for unstable include stable, steady, firm, and secure. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, unstable. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.